What is up, guys? Check it out. We got the Stang Banger back here in a very loud school bus. In the summer, you know, if your kids be good, you wouldn't have to ride that bus to school in the summer. You go hang out and go to the beach. There's the notification. Trap My Ride is live. Look at this. We got the Stang up, and it's up on the ramps. What's he doing? I think he's got new tie rod ends in there. Isn't that what he said, tie rod ends?
Yep.
Is it inners?
Yeah.
Are there outer tie rod ends there?
I already changed those.
Ooh, you already changed the outer tie rod ends. When did you do that? Earlier just now? Before I got here?
I think last fall.
Oh, I was gonna say, damn, you did that quick. That's like, you could use blazers too. I don't know if it needs it, but shit, if it's that quick, do it. But anyway, guys, we're gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna look up underneath this thing. Shout out to Justin. Tell him thank you. This is good content. Let's check this out. Man, it's so bright out here, I can hardly see.
I know. I don't have my good glasses.
Yeah, and you were hot and all greasy too. I'm sure, well, it's still hot. Look at this crap, guys. Looky here. Damn. And right here where it goes, right? Screws into that thing. And the other end goes to this thing. Now, if you put that in, are you going to need alignment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say, like, doesn't that be right? So it's going to be kind of funny driving.
But I'm trying to mark it and keep it as close as I can.
Oh, you got it marked? I got ya. So you'll do this side too?
Mm-hmm. This side's already done.
This side's done?
Yep.
Oh man, look at you go. Look at this, guys. He knocked this out. I was out at Glenn's getting a couple new tires on the mini truck, and we'll show you that here in a minute. But man, he got this one out and everything. This one would probably be done, but we got to go back to O'Reilly's. The one that we have, I think it's just faulty from whatever. But what'd you say? Like it won't thread on or something?
Yeah, it's trying to cross thread.
Yeah, so we're gonna run out. They're gonna exchange it for us. We're gonna get another one, and this should be done up real quick, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's actually fairly simple, huh? Damn.
Might do the ball joints.
Oh, he's
Not
talking
quite
ball
sure.
joints. You need a grinder for them?
No.
No? They just unbolt?
Should. With some heavy duty WD-40.
Yeah. There's heavy duty WD-40?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say, I always just buy the regular stuff.
They look pretty rusted on there.
He said it's not just slippery, it's super slippery. Get your WD-40. Don't they have a, what do they call that, a pickle fork?
Yeah.
You ever eat pickles with it?
No.
Why do they call it a pickle fork? You know what it looks like? Like a tuning fork, kind of like you can hit it and it's gonna go woo, woo,
Yeah.
woo, woo, woo.
I got one somewhere.
A tuning fork? Or a pickle fork? Oh, tuning fork would be a lot cooler. You know how much fun that'd be?
Yeah.
But like, hey Jonathan, how many new windows would you like? Woo, 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 woo. But that's what we're doing out here, guys. There's a look underneath the Stang. Something to check out. Ooh, he's got a WD-40 right there. It doesn't say super strength or extra duty. He's pulling my leg, guys. But anyway, we're gonna get something cold to drink, and well, I probably won't. I'll probably get a coffee, but we're gonna get something cold to drink, and we're gonna head out to O'Reilly's, and we're gonna get his other tie rod and get that in. This kid here, my neighbor kid, Keaton. Is it Keaton or Keegan? I'm terrible with names. Keaton?
Keaton.
Yeah, he's look, check him out, guys. He's getting his wire all run. This is what, Honda Civic, right?
Yep.
What year is it?
2003 EX sedan.
Ooh, 2003 EX sedan. Man, you got that through your firewall pretty quick, didn't you? Man, he got that worked out. He's got that run. He's done a lot of work. Check out, he's got his hubcaps done. He put a new bumper and headlights in this thing, guys. And it's not back far. Look up underneath the hood.
Brand new battery just put in.
Yeah.
Brand new tires.
Nice. New tires too, huh?
Yep.
Makes the ride nice, doesn't it? I love new tires.
Yes, sir.
Nothing rides as nice as new tires.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He's got it, guys. So he's getting it done. We're going to give him a little hand and check on him and make sure he's doing all right. Check out what he got. Let's see. I'm going to put this in your dashboard. They can see your stereo.
All right.
He's got his stereo. He put that in himself the other day, I would imagine, right? Or did you have?
Yep.
Yeah. And it's good and clean. He's going to get that in. He's running everything down. Here in the back, he's got a couple P3s and an audio pipe box. We're going to get him wired up so that way he's good to go. He's got his amp and his amp kit over there. Man, we're going to do the Civic up. He'll be on Underglow before long.
Yeah.
Man, he'll be looking better than me. I'll be coming over here like, hey, can I get some footage of your car, man? Can I get some content?
And I just threw in the spoiler too.
Ooh, he put the spoiler.
Got a LED light going on it.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
So it comes on with your brakes?
Yes, sir.
Go hit him once. Let's check it out. Will it hold or do I need to hold it?
Oh, no, I already held it.
Got it. Yeah, ooh, look at that, guys. Man, yeah, good job, man. That looks good.
Appreciate it.
Nice, and that's just a nice little flat type fin there, isn't it? Nice, look at this.
I got the cord ran right under here.
Ooh.
You see, where is it? Right there?
Nice.
See the cord coming down?
Yeah, he's got it all
connects right
clean
down
and
here.
tucked. Check that out, man. You see that, guys? Let's see if we can get it up in here. Yeah, he's got it all clean and tucked. Good job, man. That's nice.
Appreciate it.
Keep it clean. That's the way to do it. That's what makes it look nice.
For
like, you
real.
can have the nicest stuff and slap it together and it just looks like crap. Or you can just take some cheap stuff and do it up nice and do your time and it looks good.
Wire
But-
management is key.
Yes, sir, it is. Look at this, guys. He's got his Fosgate P3s. You know he's going to be hitting, especially in this tight little box, sealed. Boom.
Oh,
He's going to get some punch. What's your favorite flavor punch?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, is his favorite flavor punch. I bet that tastes crappy.
I have to go blue raspberry, hands down.
Blue raspberry punch. Boom. He'll be bringing it. But that's what it is, guys. We're going to get over here and we're going to get out to O'Reilly's and get this stuff done. Keep me like a car, brother.
Appreciate it, man.
We'll be back to
Appreciate
check on you.
Thanks.
All right.
All right,
Here it is, guys. Here's the Trailblazer. We got the new wheels on the mini truck. I'm putting Justin behind here. He's probably ready to choke me. But check it out. We put some new fronts on here. New radiator went in yesterday. Put these Hancooks on the front here. Nice, nice. And Glenn Tire in Appanee did that for us today, guys. Took them out, mounted up. Didn't take long. Them guys were on it. I think a kid named Melvin is the one who put this on. He did a real good job for me. I appreciate it. He does good work. So if any of you guys know him or you need anything like this done, they did good for me out there, guys. Go hit him up. He's a good kid. All right, guys, that's what it is. We're getting out of here, and we'll probably do another shoot here in a little bit. So stay tuned. Stay posted. Keep on trapping.